to welcome back. So today I'm going to introduce this. This is 20 pieces of the BAOLICY LED rock lights, white color. It's the 20 parts for UTV, ATV, off-road trucks, SUV, car, boat, or whatever that you would like to put this on your vehicle. This is waterproof, high-power underbody glow neon trail rig lamps exterior, and it is shock-proof. So this you can use it for a Jeep, off-road, ATV, or Hardy, or any of the motor bikes, boat, trucks, RV, or any recreation vehicle. So you could also install this on your trunk, tail light, or under the wheel, under the chassis, and also in the car as well. So this is wrapped by a perfect construction design, waterproof, shockproof, and anti-corrosion. And it is waterproof, IP68 rated. So anyway, I'd like to give a shout out to Matt from their marketing team for sending me this. So anyway, let's go and then unbox this and show you guys what we have. So the box is pretty quite heavy, and they also sell by 4 packs. They also have a light blue color, light red, and then this color is white. And here's the product description. It is made in China. Wow, look at that. So this is rubber, and then the light goes on top of it. Nice. It also comes with all the harness. Let's go ahead and open one and check it out. So this is 18 to 20 gauge wiring. So this is the part. And those are the 3-piece CREE LED chip, high power, super bright light, and come with this anti-rust hex screw and nuts. And it has a built-in resistor in here, more durable and stable advanced circuit, fit 9 volt to 32 volt vehicles. Okay, and the casing is a die-cast aluminum shell, which is more durable. PMMA lens, highly anti-heavy impact. And this is the shock-proof rubber base, widely used for both plain surface and curved surface. So you could use this if you want and everything, but the hose goes right here. Make sure the flat surface is facing toward the light or the pot. And then you mount the screw through there. Yeah, so this is more like a curvature. So, and you could install without using this also. But you need to drill 1 hole here and then 2 holes for the screw and then the nuts. Go ahead and open this out and see. So they come with 2 different size. One this is bigger, and then this is thinner or narrow. So this is the one with the big bowl. What does it look like? Kind of protruding out. And this one's still protruding out. Yeah, so the bigger bowl protruding further outward. Anyway, let's go ahead and test out the bowl and see how bright it is. So I believe if you want to use a thinner bowl, you could insert this through this plastic. I think that's just an extender for this. If you want to use the rubber base. So once you put the nut, it is more flush or more stable, okay? Alright, so I got this 12 volt battery. I'm going to plug this directly into here and then test it out. Hopefully they're not going to spark on me. Oh my god, it's like super bright. Look at that. So you could put this under your car or inside your trunk or inside your interior if you want to add some more brightness, or outside of your vehicle or RV, boat. Anything that you want, trucks. Yeah, it is pretty bright. And this one has a lifespan of 50,000 hours, so it's gonna last a while. So yeah, anyway, be sure to check out the link that's going to show you within the description. So you guys could check out this awesome pop lights. I installed some of this on the vehicle and then test it out. Thank you for watching, and be sure to hit that subscribe button And I'll see you guys on the next video. Alright? Like always, peace.